I'm ready for a spring tablescape, one that just takes your breath and is absolutely beautiful. The spring tablescape for 2022 is underway, and I'm starting with a very light blue charger, and I've already placed the glasses. I've got a water glass as well as a wine or a juice glass, depending upon when you're going to serve your dinner or breakfast. So these particular plates are very cute and really remind me of Easter because of the fact that they have little indentations that look like Easter eggs. And I thought, oh, how perfect for this tablescape. So we're going to use this plate and we're going to add it to our table. I'm also going to add in, remember those Tia Mowry spice plates that I reviewed earlier in the season? There are 4 different colors and they certainly look like a breath of spring. So I'm going to add those to our look. Now I've placed the luncheon plates onto the main dinner plate, and now I'm going to add in a cup and a saucer. Breakfast, anyone? Now, in addition to that, I have also added in some linen napkins, and they are done in a very neutral off-white. So I think I like that. Now, what do you think about that centerpiece? Is that not gorgeous? Let me bring you in just a little bit closer so you can see I've kept with my little checks. I have my beautiful tulips. I've added in some lilac as well as some other colors. So spring is in the air. Now the only thing I haven't put down is the silverware. So it's time for that. Beautiful tablescape always makes your family feel loved and special. So it didn't take long to do this particular tablescape, and we kept it pretty and simple. So pull out your dishes, get your napkins ready, and set a table for your family. I thank you for being right here in the kitchen with me today, because we've been able to do something that I know my family is going to enjoy. And I hope that you will come back to the family of Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme often. And if you're not a family member, certainly take a moment, hit that subscribe button, and join.